Hi everybody, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this grateful pumpkin sign. This simple sign is a perfect piece to leave hanging up in your home all fall season long. Let's get started. The first thing you are going to do is you are going to paint the wooden word grateful in black paint. You want to make sure that you cover the front and all of the sides of the wood word. Once you've done that, you will then set the wood word aside to completely dry. Next, you will grab your wooden pumpkin and you are going to paint the body of the pumpkin white. You want to make sure you also paint the sides of the pumpkin. And then it's important that the top of the pumpkin, the face of it, gets a second coat of paint. And then next, you are going to paint the stem of the pumpkin black. Make sure that you cover the front and the sides of the stem. Once both wood pieces are dried, you are then going to take your sanding block and sand both the grateful word and the pumpkin. For the word grateful, you want to make sure that you are especially sanding all of the edges of each letter. And then with the pumpkin, you are going to sand both the body of the pumpkin and the stem. You just want the paint to look slightly distressed. Grab a few strands of raffia, tie them around the stem of the pumpkin, and then you're going to add a little glossy accents to adhere the knot to the pumpkin. Add glossy accents to the back of the wood leaf, and then add it just below the knot that you just made. Grab your wood burned plaque, and you are going to lay the word grateful on the left, and then the pumpkin to the right of it. Once everything looks as you like, you will then adhere both pieces to the board using glossy accents. And now your sign is ready to be hung up and displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the products needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.